In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix Minecraft error code 0x1. So let's get started. We're going to look at several fixes and let's get started with the first one, which is verify game files. So I'm just going to write it down. Verify game files. So launch the Minecraft launcher and verify the integrity of your game files. This can help identify and fix corrupted files that might be causing the error. The next one we have is update Minecraft and Java. So update Minecraft and Java. So ensure you have the latest version of Minecraft and Java installed because outdated versions can often lead to compatibility issues and errors. The next one we have is checking your system requirements. So verify that your PC meets the minimum system requirement for Minecraft. Now if it doesn't, you have to consider upgrading your hardware. The next one is to disable any overlays that are open. So disable any overlays from other applications like Discord or Steam that might interfere with Minecraft's launch. These overlays can sometimes conflict with the game and cause errors. The next one is to try a clean install. Well, this is very self-explanatory. You'll have to uninstall Minecraft and then reinstall it, hoping that it fixes your error. So, alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.